We'll guide you through how to create a Facebook page. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you already run a business or you're looking to launch your brand on Facebook. We're going to guide you through how you can go and create a page and guide you through the different steps. So this is much easier than you probably think, and it's really great to do because then you can go and add different things on there. You can go and post to an audience and keep people up to date all about it. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to the bottom right of Facebook. There you're going to find the menu button. On some devices, it's going to be the top right, so you can go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is come into the shortcuts. You may need to press See More, and you need to go and find the option for Pages, as you can see at the bottom. Here we are. Then you want to go and look in the top left, and you'll go and find the option for Create, which you can then tap. Then you can go and press Create a new page, and you want to go and press Next. Go and enter in the page name. Go and press Next like this. Now you can go and choose the category which best describes it. Add multiple if needed. Then at the bottom, you can go and press Create like so and wait. Now you can finish setting up your page. Add in your bio, add in your contact, location, and hours. Then you can go and press Next. Here you can add your profile picture and banner if you want. Then you can go and press Next. Then you can start inviting friends to go and like it and go and follow it. Choose if you want to have notifications about it and press Done. Now you're going to be switched to it and you can go and start using it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.